Hi friends, welcome to my channel that is Versatile Love. Today I am here to show you how to take in care of your bamboo plant. Actually here you can see this is a Chinese bamboo plant and this is the two layer bamboo plants I have purchased, but here you can see only 3 to 4 bamboos are left. So friend, this is the cause of actually this plant is 1 year old, and after that when I see after one by one my bamboo sticks are died off. So I think how to I can get improved, then how I can give fertilizer, how can I give some medicine to them so they can grow it well. So this is the actually water based plants, so I cannot give any medicine to them. I am not able to give any fertilizer so they can leave. If but they one by one my all bamboo sticks are died off and they are turns yellow. After turning yellow, I have seen the roots are are actually dried and total one by one sticks are died. So I keep in mind that, and after that in lockdown it is also been happened the gel is available in the market in the nursery, which is still not available on that particular time, and this is the August month, still I'm not finding the gel. So that is why I'm using the aloe vera gel instead of that particular gel, so that my bamboo plants can grow well. So this is, you can see that the only 4 sticks are left behind, and when I am seeing that there is no other way to protect them, so what I have do, that is I just cut it off these branches, which is these branches, you can see these branches from that particular bamboo stick. And here you can see, here you can see the result of it, the roots are comes out, you can see the roots are comes out, and my these particular bamboo plants are doing well. Okay, so how I can get, actually I can protect them, otherwise there no other way to protect them. Here this is also the branches, and you can see the root comes out. This plant is I can say this is 4 to 5 months age of this particular plants, so that is why so many roots are there. And this is the plant only 15 days, this the age of this particular plant is 15 days. Within 15 days I have seen ki some roots are comes out from this particular branches. So by how you can save your bamboo plants, as the gel is not available in the market, so by the using of aloe vera gel you can save it and you can grow your bamboo plant. Here you can see I have first of all taken this type of bowl for this particular bamboo plant, but after that I have seen ki roots are not growing easily, so that is why I just take this cup, this is mug, so and by this mug I have just put it and give some pebbles over here and definitely some aquaguard water. Here definitely this is also important, which is just left out, this all the water is the aquaguard water. I am not using any tap water here, and every in particular all these 3 of this bottle I have given all the gel part of the aloe vera. So here I have keep it here just onto my window, so that they can get the sunlight, the evening sunlight, and some light also. Okay, I am not keep these plants just my indoor plants, because in nursery I get to know that our plants are actually all our plants are not actually for the indoor plants. Indoor plants are some of plants which are they actually require some of the morning sunlight and the evening sunlight. So I just keep all my plants here just onto my window, so they can get the sunlight of the morning and also the sunlight of the evening. And here you can see the result. And last 1 month, and this is a 15 days case, but after that I have seen so many roots are comes out here and they are growing now well. Okay, so by this way you can just take care of your bamboo plants, and you just keep just onto your window or where they can get little amount of sunlight. Okay, so you cannot place it in your indoor section, because indoor sections they are not growing well. So friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, and if you have any query or if you want to criticize on it, you can do. And also please keep loving my video and also sharing my video, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel, that is Versatile Love. Till date, okay, have a nice day, have a wonderful day, tata, bye bye.